If your layouts feel predictable, adjusting the frame structure can instantly create a more modern visual style. Today, how to create adaptive frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting multiple rectangular frames in different sizes and arrange them in a flexible composition rather than a strict grid. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for harmony. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted neutral tone. Slightly overlap one frame and rotate another just a few degrees to introduce movement while maintaining balance. Add thin connecting line elements with reduced opacity to guide the viewer naturally. Use position tools for alignment while preserving the adaptive layout.